Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. And as you can see from the title, I have my FabFitFun Winter 2019 edit add-ons, if you will. I didn't get the actual editor's box, but I did go in and do like their add-on sale or edit sale. And of course I got a mystery bag because I always do. But I was a little thrown aback when this showed up at my door. I'm like, that's the summer box. What's going on? It does have a sticker here where it normally would have the sticker for, or like the saying for like what charity they're using. It says recycle me or turn me into a DIY. So I don't know if for some reason they sent me a summer box, or if they just used this box. So we will definitely find out when we get in here and open this sucker. So, because the shipping matches my winter edit order. So, but before we open this and get in here, I just want to say welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, don't forget we do have the active giveaway for the Tati palette going on. That will be linked down below. We'll also link FabFitFun down below if you'd like to sign up. This is a $49.99 seasonal subscription. So you get it every winter, spring, summer, and fall. And it's full of all kinds of lifestyle goods. And then they have these different little edit sales or add-ons during the current box. And that's what I have here is just some stuff I picked up in the edit sale, again, along with one of their mystery bags. So, at least I think that's what's in here. So let's see. It says, does this box look familiar? In an effort to be more environmentally conscious, we're upcycling excess past boxes to ship out your purchases, including add-ons, edits, and shop orders. Help the environment by recycling this box or turn it into a fun DIY. Okay, so I love that. I think that is really awesome. So yeah, way to go FabFitFun. All right, so this is my edit sale stuff, my goodies. So you can see that I went a little crazy. And if you notice right on top, because I do always, every add-on edit thing, I always pick up a sponge gel. This is the Sheer Freesia Pear. I love this one. It's just, these things are amazing. And you literally can get them for like $5 or $7, and why not? So got that guy. And then I was so excited to see that this was an option. I got this one time from Birchbox. I used some points and ordered it from Birchbox. These are my absolute favorite 110% makeup remover wipes. They're the Basanti wipes makeup magnet. They use micellar water. They literally, one wipe will take off every bit of makeup on your face. I love them so much. And it did also come with a little like deluxe size of their Brighten Up exfoliator. I do have like the Dr. Brandt and the Kate Somerville, so this I will put to the side for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. All right, and then speaking of Dr. Brandt, I did not realize this was going to be that big. Okay. This is the Dr. Brandt DNA Do Not Age Time Defying Cream. Lessens the look of wrinkles and plumps. Formulated with Dr. Brandt's Skin Transforming System. This sensorial I can't do big words today, y'all. Something formula melt at skin temperature to deliver the power of juvenescence plus complex designed to fuel your skin daily with vital energy, help the look of sagging skin, loss of volume and density, and wrinkles. It says, after day 1, start replenishing your skin with hydration. After 2 weeks, improve the look of sagging skin, smooth lines and wrinkles. After 1 month, give back youth and harmony to your face. It says, apply on clean skin, AM and PM. Due to the presence of botanical ingredients, this product may change in color over time. It's good for all skin types. So, here's the box. I don't know why I can't speak today. I mean, I just can't. Like, I can't. This is some Bougie packaging. Y'all see this? Like, that is like Bougie is all get out. This big old thing. Okay. All right. Moving right along. This is from Sinage. This is their Botanica Souffle Creme. I don't know, it just sounded really awesome. So I was like, let me pick that up. It is cruelty-free, advanced science, natural ingredients, non-toxic. It's French heritage, paraben-free botanical ingredients. It's made in the USA. Cleanse skin. Apply Botanica Souffle Creme evenly to face, neck, and décolleté. Beauty, like food, should be a health choice. So that is what that says. That's a big old thing too. Right there. I want to smell it. It does have a safety seal. Smells really good, actually. It's a light scent, but it smells really, really good. Put the safety seal back on here. You can never have too many moisturizers. I really don't think you can. Then I got, and I'm really excited about this. This is actually a set, I believe. This is from Silky. It says Silky Smooth, Beautiful Hair. The No More Frizz hair towel from Restore Home. And like I said, it is 2 of them. It says crafted with 100% microfiber. The No More Frizz hair towel is anti-static and gentle on hair fibers, enhancing your hair's natural texture. Live your best hair life with faster drying times, discouraged frizz, and more definition, helping you say goodbye to frizzy, unmanageable flyaways and hello to silky smooth hair. So let's just get in here. So yeah, it's a set of, you get 2, you get a gray and a white, and it literally is just a towel, but it's for your hair, and it's supposed to prevent breakage and help with all of that, and I'm all about it. Got little things flying everywhere. So I was excited about those. Then, haha, yes. And I may actually use one of these after this. This is from Double Dare Beauty, OMG Red and Snail Mask, Deep Hydration and Firming. There's 5 of them in here. It says Optimum, Minimizer, Grab, and Go. OMG Red Plus Snail Mask is a new type of mask made with a combination of Super 8 red ingredients and snail secretion filtrate. This mask is infused with Super 8 red ingredients, including Rosa damascenia flower, tomato, punica grantinum fruit extract. Y'all, I can't. Your skin will love and will be improved in its overall appearance. Snail secretion filtrate helps skin become firm and moisturized. Also, mask includes hyaluronic acid, making your skin hydrated. So you just put it on, you leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, you remove the mask and gently pat in remaining serum until fully absorbed. So yes, the snail is so good for your face, is what I'm hearing. So we're gonna snail it up. And then I love dry shampoo. Anytime I can pick up a dry shampoo, I do, because I'm a mom and a wife and life. This I knew was travel size, but that's okay. I've actually never tried and wanted to try the R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. So that's this little guy right here. Give it a shake, 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 and smell. I'll be buying the full size. Y'all, that smells so good. I love R&Co products. And I had no doubt this would smell amazing, but you know, just wanted to be sure. Saving the mystery bundle for last. I think I just have one more item, which it looks like I may need my knife for. All right, so use the knife, got it out of the box, and here it is. You guys, look at this. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, I'm corny, I know. But isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's got little feet. Oh, I love coffee, so you know, yay. All right, so there's that. And then the final is our mystery bag. So we've got it right here. So we're gonna dive in. All right, so the first item, Tiare, if I'm saying that correctly, concentrated firming and brightening moisturizer with retinol for all skin types. I love the packaging, it's gorgeous. And again, could never have too many moisturizers, especially different, like with retinol and all that. It says visibly reverse and repair all of the major signs of aging with the smart formula in the concentrated firming and brightening moisturizer with retinol. Your personal foundation of youth. This powerful cocktail of antioxidants is enhanced with age-defying retinol for a formula that is proven to fight free radicals, even skin tone, and sweep away dullness for a noticeably brighter skin. 1% retinol, vitamin A concentrate is a miracle ingredient in this fast-acting formula, penetrating into the deepest levels of skin, preventing all signs of aging before they start to form. And it just goes on and on and on and on. It says, use the moisturizer as the final step in your morning skin regimen following serum. Gently pat into skin starting in the center of the face, working outward toward the forehead and chin. Let sit and penetrate into skin before applying makeup. All right. And it is talking about, because any product that contains retinol, you want to be very careful with exposure to the sun, so keep that in mind. And again, it's it's vegan and cruelty free. So here is the actual bottle. Oh, and right on up. So there is that. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, it smells really, really good. It's a little earthy, but it smells really, really good. All right, so let's see what else we got in here. Ren, let's see, what are you? Heart pendant. Sometimes the heart sees what is invisible to the eye. Ren Summer 15, 14 karat gold dipped, 1 PT, I don't know what that stands for, black sapphire accent. It's an 18-inch necklace with a 2-inch extended chain. It says made in Los Angeles. So I'm not going to take it out of the bag, but it's a gold necklace. And there you can see where they're talking about the little black sapphire. I'll put this to the side for a future giveaway, just because, I mean, I think it's pretty and I think it's a great item to get in a mystery bag. It's just personally not for me. So, but again, I do think it's a great product. So there's that. And next we have, this is the Blowout Experts Blow Pro, the perfect shower cap. Terry lined, oversized, ultimate hairline protection. It says top seller. So here is what it looks like. So it comes in its own little bag, and you open it, and then here, oh, this, y'all, this is actually really, really nice. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, and it is lined with like the terry cloth. I'm just laughing because I purchased a shower cap in the fall add-ons or edit, or maybe it was the winter add-on, I'm not sure, for the regular box. And a friend of mine thought it was rather funny, but I'm excited to have another one, especially this. I like this. I'm not even gonna lie, because, you know, like I said, there's those dry shampoo days, and this will keep my hair from getting wet when I'm in the shower. All right, so we have one final product in our mystery bag, and this is from Kapaaree. This is a coconut face cream. Hydrate and nourish. Sulfate, phthalate, and paraben free. A luxe lightweight lotion that helps fight visible wrinkles and delivers essential hydration. Apply lotion to freshly cleansed and toned skin. So there is that guy. I do like Kapaaree. So there is the actual product. And again, you can never have too many facial moisturizers. It's got a safety seal. I want to see how strong the coconut scent is. All right. So, and I can tell that it is lightweight. I mean, because it's like moving very easily. I don't smell coconut at all. In fact, I don't smell anything. It may just have like the benefits of coconut. That may be why they're saying that. But it soaked into my skin and feels amazing. So that was everything that I got in the FabFitFun Winter 2019 edit sale and mystery bag. So let me know, did you get any of the same items? What item did you like the most? I don't know which one I'm the most excited for. I'm really liking that shower cap. I'm not even gonna lie. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.